In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted items on Wrike in just 5 minutes. So, whether you're a seasoned Wrike user or new to this powerful project management tool, this guide will help ensure you know exactly where to look when something's gone missing. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wrike account. If you're not already familiar with the login process, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Start by opening your browser and heading over to the Wrike homepage. Once there, locate the Login button. It's usually perched right at the top right corner, beckoning you to click it. Go ahead and give it a click. Now that you're on the login page, you'll notice the option to sign in using various methods. Here, we're going to use Google to log in because it's a swift and secure option for many of us. So click on the Google sign in button. This will prompt you to choose which Google account you want to use. Select the appropriate account, and just like that, you'll be seamlessly guided into your workspace. Once inside Wrike, it's time to make your way to the recycle bin, where all deleted items are stored temporarily. Begin by turning your attention to the top left of your screen where you should see your profile photo. This is your next checkpoint. Click on your profile photo and you should see a drop-down menu appear, offering you various options. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labelled Recycle Bin. The recycle bin is your go-to spot for locating any items or files that may have been deleted, intentionally or otherwise. Click on Recycle Bin and instantly you'll be shown a list of recently deleted items. This is really handy because it allows you to quickly spot what you're looking for without having to navigate through different folders or files. From this list, you can easily go through and recover any items you may need. It's important to note that items don't remain in the recycle bin indefinitely. So make it a habit to check it regularly, especially if you're managing a large volume of tasks and projects. Once you locate the desired item in the recycle bin, simply select the option to restore it, and it will reappear in its original location within your project layout. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to find any deleted items in Wrike. Remember, Wrike's robust features are designed to make your workflow smoother, so knowing how to manage deleted items can be a real lifesaver. Thanks for joining me in today's walkthrough. Be sure to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you next time.